Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. Joining us for the segment, we have Ed Meyercord, CEO of Nasdaq-listed Extreme Networks, which delivers end-to-end cloud-driven networking solutions rapidly to advance its customers' digital transformation strategy in an evolving business environment. Ed, it's great to have you with us. Welcome to Trade Talks.
Thanks for having me, Jill. Great to be here.
You got it. And you delivered record revenue in the third quarter in a challenging macro environment. What allowed the company to successfully execute and gain market share?
So what's happening? Networking is a big market and we're taking share. And for us, small share equals big revenue growth opportunity. And it's really about our cloud networking platform. It's the highest quality in the industry. And at the end of the day, we're making it simple for people to deliver what is a very high quality networking experience for enterprise customers.
Where are you seeing strong demand and how are you investing to expand growth opportunities?
So it's all about cloud. And the idea is that today in a network, when you think about a network environment, you have complete visibility across the entire network, all the network elements, all the devices that are connected. And today we live in enterprises that are more distributed, as you know. You work from a distributed environment. And so now from a network, we have tools that make it easy for enterprise customers to have this visibility, control, security. And ultimately, we drive productivity, we help them save money. And it's a very different story than other players in the industry today. And so it's this simplicity that we're bringing, and it's all coming from this cloud-based solution that's helping us take share.
Right. Well, let's talk about that because the cloud is becoming ubiquitous with how we do business. What differentiates your cloud offering?
So a lot of it is flexibility. So for example, a lot of our customers, they may want to work in, let's say, AWS or Azure or GCP. They want to have flexibility as to how they work inside the cloud, which cloud they work with. At the same time, there's a lot of opportunities for us when I talk about simplification to leverage data from the network. When you think about a network that knows all the devices and then also knows all the network elements, it's really intelligent. So there's a lot of data, and what we say is that we can help our customers. There are new ways to drive better outcomes by leveraging data from the network. And this is something that we're doing. It's new ways for better outcomes. It's a great message that's resonating. Our salespeople are just crushing it out there.
And to wrap up here, what's your outlook for Extreme Networks in 2023 and for the broader industry?
Well, so the outlook is going to be a continuation, and what it's going to be more services that we can orchestrate over the cloud, right? You have a network. In our case, our networking infrastructure is end to end, and now it's about providing more services. And with the architecture of our cloud, we're in a position now to deliver more services. So we made an acquisition. Networking historically for us has been on campus. Well, now we can extend across a wide area network and connect distributed workers, let's say at home in a home office, students, faculty, healthcare workers, et cetera. So we can orchestrate all of this from our cloud. We can look at other opportunities to drive productivity through tools like AI ops. We have security offerings. So all of these services are going to help us support our customers. We can orchestrate them over the cloud. And so it's adding valuable recurring revenue and subscription revenue to Extreme.
Right. And then, Ed, when we think about the broader industry outlook and all the newer technologies that are available, to your point that you just made, are we still in the early innings of what the potential is with cloud technology, or do we still, is there still runway for more growth here?
I think we are early innings when you think about services. So if you go back to servers and storage, they're very quick to cloudify. Networking is a little bit more complicated because it's more distributed. It's not behind the walls of a data center. And so now we are early innings, if you will, for delivering these new services over cloud. So cloud growth is the fastest growing segment of the industry. Extreme, fortunately, has the highest quality cloud. So now it's going to be about, okay, what kind of services can we bring to drive productivity, to drive quality, to drive security, across our enterprise customers, entire network end to end.
All right, Ed, appreciate the insight. Thanks for joining us on Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.
Thanks for having me, Jill.